Got it.
Okay. So, hello, Brenda.
Hello,
Hello,
Steph.
hello. Thank you for taking the time now. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what we have been working on for the past 5 months now?
Okay, so I have been a college administrator and for the past 40 years worked in adult education. I have taught as well at the college level and now want to create an online course to help struggling college students during my retirement years here. My PhD in behavioral science has given me a strong ability to do this very well. And so I'm looking forward to what you're providing for me to create this product.
Cool, awesome. How is the coaching with me different to other high-priced coachings you have already taken so far?
Yes, I most certainly have purchased the high-price coaching programs, and the difference is I could not receive this level of personal attention, and in particular, not on my time schedule, which was very important to me. Having the canned videos was not working well, and not having the ability to reach someone was not working well as well. So I truly appreciate the personal attention I receive from you.
Okay, so hands-on.
Yes.
What would you say, out of your own experience now, is an advantage in working with me one-on-one?
Okay, so this part is the buzzwords of do it for me and do it with me. Your hands-on style of doing it with me has really given me confidence to create professional materials, and your do it for me always answers my questions and gives me great examples on how to approach a perspective, and that's a huge difference. That's what is valuable. Okay,
great. And anything else you would like to share with us here?
I guess one of the main things that I appreciate as a professional is that you're very direct in your teaching style, but you're also very patient with me. And so that I know I will get my questions answered and that I will be able to grow as fast as I want to or as slow as I want to. And so I feel that I've learned the marketing skills and how to apply those concepts and feel confident of being able to create my own content. So thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you for that. It's really fun working with you, as I said many times. So I really enjoy it. So great that it works for us too.
Thank you ever so much. I would never have gotten this far without you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Brenda. Okay.